Hi, this is Nancy from Royal Carriages in New Orleans, Louisiana. This is a quick video to show you how our carriage mules navigate the streetcar tracks. When streetcars began in New Orleans, they were originally pulled by mules. Today, all forms of traffic, including carriages, are allowed to use the same lanes of traffic used by the streetcars. We hope this video showed a little bit of insight at what it's like to navigate the streetcar tracks while driving a carriage. Thanks so much.
Wearing shoes and drinking booze, it goes against the Bible. A necktie will make you die and cause you lots of trouble. Streetcars and whiskey bars and kissing pretty women. Women, yeah, that's the end of a terrible beginning.